What's up guys? All good? My name is Jack. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the Tedswoodworking before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the Tedswoodworking works. What is Tedswoodworking? Today, I want to talk about Tedswoodworking in this video. So, what exactly is Tedswoodworking? It's a digital guide that provides a wide range of woodworking projects. These plans are designed to be easy to understand and follow, making them suitable for both beginners and experienced woodworkers. What does the Tedswoodworking package include? The Tedswoodworking package comes with a comprehensive book that contains 16,000 plans. These plans are accompanied by step-by-step illustrations, ensuring that even those with little to no experience in woodworking can easily follow along. You don't need to have advanced tools to complete these projects. Simple tools you likely already have will work just fine. Is there a money-back guarantee? Yes. Tedswoodworking offers a 60-day money-back guarantee. If you aren't satisfied with a program, you can get a full refund. So, why not take advantage of this offer? Click the link below to secure your discount today. Tedswoodworking, where to buy? Only buy from the manufacturer's official website to make sure you get the guarantees offered. The official website is set out in the description in the first comment.